Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll to find security and privacy. Right here we have to scroll and localize, I believe, more security settings here. And here we've got the credential storage section and the option we're looking for. So let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Of course, confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.